Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. How is everybody doing today? Happy Memorial Day. I'm just getting off of work, heading home to enjoy my Memorial evening dinner with my family. Whatever you are doing today, I hope you're having a fun day, whatever it is. Maybe you're working, maybe you're getting off of work, maybe you're just going to work, maybe you're heading to a festivity. Either way, have a great day, have a great evening, afternoon. Maybe where you are at, you're just getting up. Maybe you're just starting your day. I don't know. Got my Razer phone attached to the iAudi Easy One Touch 2 smartphone dash mount. Usually there's a little bit of extra vibration when I use the iAudi Easy One Touch 2. It doesn't matter what smartphone I'm using, and it can have OIS or EIS, optical image stabilization or electronic image stabilization, and still there's a little bit of vibration. The Razer phone, no stabilization whatsoever. I am using the Nokia camera APK. Chukas Armanis, thank you so much for the link. Yeah, I'm trying it out, and look what we got here. We got a little window where you can see me. You can still look out my windshield. So this is a really cool functionality in the Nokia camera APK. So I figured I'd utilize it, use it, and share it with all of you on my Razer phone. Recently just got a software update, and we now have portrait mode on the stock camera app on my Razer phone. So for those of you who got that software update, you now have that portrait mode. Hopefully you're enjoying that. But yeah, I figured I would try this out. I'm still on the journey with Razer and the stock camera app. Going along on the ride as it gets better and better, but I'm willing to try areas like this, different APKs that could enhance my experience. But I'm more interested in what Razer's doing with the Razer phone outside of these APKs. But this is really cool because I could utilize this window feature. My LG V20 has that multi-view window feature. You can split the screen. You can have 3 windows, 4 windows. It's the multi-view window feature, right? It's what makes the LG V20 such a phenomenal device in the camera area. Dig that functionality. I use it a lot when I use that device. When I'm vlogging, I don't typically take it out of the home. I use the LG V20 to do a lot of my videos in-house, in my little YouTube studio. But when I do use it to vlog, I utilize the multi-view window feature, and it's too bad that a lot of the LG devices that we have now don't have that feature. I don't understand why they just didn't leave it there. LG, if you're listening, you're probably not, but if you happen to be, you know what? Bring back that feature. This is really cool that Nokia sports this functionality, and for you Nokia folks out there who have a Nokia device is what I'm getting at. I don't know if this functionality, this feature is on every Nokia device or just on some. If it's new, I don't know. But I really like it. I'm digging it. So I wanted to share it with all of you and let me know how everything looks and how everything sounds. Got some old school Metallica, Ride the Lightning in the background. You can tell me how that sounds. So this is Creeping Death, right off the Ride the Lightning album. So old school, digging it. A lot of vibration right there. That stretch of road right there needs to be fixed. It's been a couple years and they haven't fixed it. So when I use the Fantasio smartphone mount that's attached to my windshield, I don't get a lot of vibration. It's a lot more. There's a lot more stability up there. So, but I wanted to utilize my iAudi today, regardless of no stabilization. So this way you can let me know how everything looks with the Nokia camera APK, the camera app APK. Anyway, let me know what your experience has been on the OnePlus6. If you have that device, if you've gotten it in, I'm still considering it. I'm 50-50 going back and forth on that whole decision. But if you have it, Let me know what your experience is like as far as your first impressions, your first 24, 48 hours, what you like, what you don't like, you know, what you're digging, what you're not digging with the OnePlus 6. Are some of you waiting for the OnePlus 6T, assuming that we're going to have the 6T, or you're waiting for something else completely different? But yeah, I just want some feedback. I know that there's a few YouTubers out there in the smaller YouTube community that have the OnePlus 6T, but not a lot. I thought I was going to see a lot more, but I'm not seeing as much. Zach, I know you have it. Tony and Android Stud. Yeah, so I want to see some speaker comparisons, some display with some samples of videos and movies up against some flagships that have 2K displays, because the OnePlus 6 is only sporting the 1080p display, AMOLED. But I would like to see it go up against some 2K flagship devices. So for those of you out there who have the device, you have a YouTube channel, yeah, if you could do that, that would be awesome. I'm asking as a viewer, not as a YouTuber, as a viewer. So also rumors on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, 512 gigs of storage, internal storage possibly on that device, 8 gigs of RAM. We know we're going to get a Super AMOLED display. We know it's going to be a 2K display. We know it's going to be a device that's going to be over 6 inches. And hopefully it will keep the headphone jack. The rumor is that it's still going to keep the headphone jack. You will have an SD card slot to expand beyond the 512 gigs of memory already inside that device internally. 512 gigs of memory. Wow, that's a lot of memory, man. So if we can get dual speakers on that as well, you can have one phenomenal device. We're not going to, well, I don't know for sure, but from what is being said right now, and I guess this is all rumors. We're not going to have the in-display fingerprint reader as of yet. Most likely it'll be on the back beneath the cameras. With the Note 9, we're going to see everything step up another level, okay? Whether that's in performance, obviously the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, that'll be the next level. That probably the 855. Hopefully I'm right about that. But 8 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of internal storage, SD card slot to expand on that. You'll have water resistance. You'll have wireless charging. You'll most likely have the dual speakers, the headphone jack. So you're going to have a device that's going to have the works. Of course, the S Pen, they'll probably improve on that experience too. So a lot to be looking forward to with the Note 9. But that 512 gigs of internal storage and 8 gigs of RAM. Wow. So that should be a powerhouse device. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's anything else you're considering outside of still picking up the OnePlus 6 or waiting for the Note 9 or anything in between. Moto's got some devices coming. Sony's got some devices coming. And I know I'm looking forward to Razer with the 2nd gen. The Razer Phone 2, I don't know if that's what they're going to call it, but I'm looking to see what Razer's going to be doing with that device, and of course, looking forward to Project Linda. So, anyway, let me know how the Nokia Camera APK app is doing with this window. Totally digging it. Audio quality, visual quality on my Razer phone attached to the iAudi Easy One Touch 2. That's it, everybody. Just vlogging on this Memorial Day. Again, hopefully everybody's having a great and wonderful day, no matter what you're doing, whether it's morning, evening, afternoon, whether you're at a festivity or you're at home just chilling, or you're at work, getting to work, leaving work. Hey, peace. God bless. Till my next video. This is my Project 13. Thanks for being a part, man. Thanks for being a part of this team, supporting it. If you just come on by, check it out. Thanks for checking it out. subscribe, hit the notification button, and share on all your social media. All right? God bless.